Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to USDC video update for Monday 12th of September. Now the weekly time frame is looking quite sharp, quite amazing, quite superb. We've had those huge green candles to the upside right now. And yesterday, when I uploaded about the video, I talked about this major resistance, right? So that major resistance is actually coming in into play, and you can see that there was a pennant, and I told you this pennant is going to have a decision very soon. And this is just a quick recap of what happened yesterday. So here we are with the USDC, made that pennant but broke to the downside, and so far it seems like it's going to crack down, it's going to move a little bit lower because of how it's looking at the moment. So let's say, how low are you looking to go down to? Okay, so let's remove that pennant right over there. We don't need the pennant anymore because it has failed. That resistance has proven to be really tough right now for from USDC. All right, so this was your bottom right there. Actually, let's see how this move happened. So I do think it depends on what I'm looking at, but I do think I'm going to start from this bottom here to the top, and let's take the bottom to the top right there of the wick, and we do have 0.618. So it's really important to hold 0.618 right now. So it's actually coming down to the right spot, but if you start to lose the 0.618, then there could be good chances that you're looking for 786 and probably come down to the 1 as well. But who knows, you can actually end up dropping all the way down suddenly to 0.26 if it actually decides to create a huge reversal wave to the downside, which is not my likely scenario. But there are many different other checks that I need to also bring. So let's remove the pattern. I do see some trend line here trying to form up. So this could be on a crucial, this could maybe being an entry opportunity again. Who knows? Seems to me like it's on a trend line, sitting on a support line right now. Isn't that beautiful? So at the moment you do have one touch right over there, bounce up, one touch right over here, bounced up, one touch right over there could actually bounce up. So if you see Luna Classic trying to move down and close below that trend line, then there could be chances you go back up and retest and fail and actually drop all the way down to 0.29 as well, because that's where you have another major support at the moment. So it looks pretty good to me. So it looks like it's on a line on an entry, but right now you still have to confirm this candle, which closes in the next 1 hour and 11 minutes. So how does this candle closes is really important. If you do close like this, like an inverted hammer, that can actually be a pretty good idea to enter and move up. Maybe with the stop loss down at the last week, that can actually be a nearly 2.6% risk right there. And who knows, you can get lucky and start a big huge rally to the upside again to the 0.85, and you can all of a sudden just get like 30-40% move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this USDC update. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.